Hi there, I'm Elsie from the learning team here at 99designs by Vista. In this video, I'll show you how to easily select creators for the final round of your contest. By this stage, you would have completed your brief and opened it up to our entire creative community. You would have received multiple concepts from creators from around the world, completing the qualifying round of your contest. So now it's down to the nitty-gritty, selecting creators for the final round. At this point of your contest, you will be prompted to select up to 6 creators who will progress into the final round. This is where you can guide your creators to further refine your design concepts with specific feedback that gets you closer to your dream design. You have up to 4 days to select your finalists, and during this time, creators can't make any changes or submit additional entries. However, if you're unsure about your design concepts and not ready to select finalists, no worries. You don't have to make any big decisions in a hurry. But to help you move forward to the final round, there are a few options to consider. Firstly, you can reach out to your friendly support team on our website for further guidance. Our support team can help you identify what may or may not be working with your designs, so that you can feed this back to your creators in the final round. Secondly, if you need help to select your favourites, we also offer a poll option. This is where you can send a link to your friends or family, asking them to vote for their favourite designs, which can help to narrow down your options. Lastly, to make the selection process a little easier, we also offer a group by designer view here, which allows you to categorise your entries by each creator. When you're ready to make your final selection, the next steps are simple. All you need to do is click the plus sign at the top right-hand corner of the creator's entry. Remember, once you select a creator, all of their active entries will come through with them to the next round. If the selection was successful, the creator's icon will show at the bottom of your screen. Simply repeat this process for each creator. Then, once you have selected all 6 of your finalists, click the Confirm Finalist button and your selected creators will be notified that it's time for them to take part in the final round. Don't forget, once you have confirmed your shortlist of finalists, your selection cannot be changed. It's critical that you select the creators you're most confident in working with during this time. Let's recap. Click the plus sign above one of the creators' entries to select them. And to confirm all of your finalists, click the Confirm Finalist button after they have been selected. You have up to 4 days to select your finalists, and during this time, creators can't make any changes or submit additional entries. You can reach out to your friendly support team on our website for further guidance. There we go, you're all set. Now you can focus on the final round and work with our amazing creators to refine your designs and select your winner. See you next time from the team at 99designs.